Good morning, everyone. ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 53. After concrete compressing a rigid collected zero basis, it's very easy to study. Okay, the skill is restart. Model 1 general stick. Model 2 dynamic explicit. Okay, let's go. Okay, first open your software, set work directory. Today is September 15. Number 4 file. Okay, create a simple part. Okay, concrete units millimeter 40. Okay, material concrete. I use my material lab. CDP. Okay, density, elastic, compressive tension, concrete compression damage. Okay, you need input concrete value. Okay, this is not important in this class. Okay, select this part. Okay, assembly only one step, general contact. Okay, output restart requires frequency 1. Okay, don't forget, give the value 1 because we should restart. Okay, mesh advancing front, no problem. Ooh. Okay, yes. The boundary. Okay, displacement, this surface opposite z direction minor 0.2. Okay, finished. Save 4. Okay, job 1. Just wait. Okay, finished. So let me see. 1. Okay. Oh, 3. Okay, no problem. And pay attention what I said. If you want to create model 2 restart, you must save because ODB is open. You want to restart, you must save and close software. Open again. Pay attention. Okay, if the ODB is open, you restart cannot be work. Just wait. Okay, work. Open. Okay, create, copy, name model 2. Okay, create a rigid, rigid. Oh, rotation. Okay. Three, 6, 0. Oh no! Oh no! I make a mistake. Revolution. Okay. Cell from solid. Create reference point. Middle point. Okay. Edit discrete rigid. Okay. Assembly. Offset. Okay. Move. 0, 0. Click middle mouse. 20. Okay. 20. Object X direction collect. Okay. Replace dynamic explicit. Okay. Okay, because I want to see OT results. Needed. Oh, enough. Okay, you must give the rigid mass. Create point mass. Units time. Okay. You should give the real mass. The unit is ton for millimeter. Ton. You should give the real value. Okay. Next. Okay. Broad surface. Okay. Contact coefficient. Okay. Pay attention. Others. Initial state. Continue. Select this part. Done. Drop 1. The model 1 job name. Okay. Last. Okay. Velocity. Minor. Time is 0. The total distance is 6 millimeter. Okay. Boundary velocity. No problem. And pay attention. The value keep the value. If you give the value 0, the surface view spring, okay? If you give the value 0, the surface view will bring the star location. Okay. Offset. Calculate. Submit. Just wait. Okay, let me see the results. Okay, no problem. Okay, I hope you're happy. Let me check. Okay, value is no problem. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. This is my Chinese WeChat. Okay, you can download and contact me bravely. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.